Hello, this is Laren Landgren with ALLO Business. Today we're going to go over Microsoft Teams Voice through ALLO. With this, it's going to be pretty much what you have already been using in the Microsoft Teams app. The only difference is now when you go to your Teams app, instead of just having chat and Teams and then calls, you're now going to be able to actually dial numbers outside of the organization. And we will show you here shortly how to do an outbound call. But some of the other overview is you can actually go into your calls. You can see your call history. Over here you can actually see if the missed calls. You can sort it to that way. You can do incoming, outgoing, voicemail, or all. You to go into your general settings, you can actually click right down here to the forward, and then it gets you into your more settings. So there you can actually create your calls here and forward your calls. So if you wanted to forward your calls to another number, you can actually forward to your voicemail, and by clicking that, toggle that button on, it forwards all calls coming in. So if you do that, you will not be receiving any calls. But then if you want to forward to a new number, you just click that and then type if it's somebody internal, you can type their name in there. Otherwise, if it's a number outside of the organization, you would just put the 10-digit number in there. And then it would be done. But you would definitely want to make sure you take that back off. For devices, if you have your settings for whether you have a headset, AirPods, or whatever, this is where you would change those settings at. So like if I have AirPods, I can switch it from my AirPods to my computer speakers, and that's for your speaker and microphone. As you can see, you can have noise suppression built in on it or off. There's also spatial audio, so there are a lot of different things, and then you can even see your video preview. On the calls, as we went, this is your other settings here where you can forward your calls, but you can ring this many seconds before redirecting. You can choose your ringtone. You manage your voicemail. And this is where you would actually, you can record your voicemail, or you can actually just type in what you want it to say here. In what language. And here's your greeting that you would actually type in. And it will actually record it for you, so you don't actually have to record your greeting, which is really cool with the Microsoft Teams, because I know people love to record their own greetings. This is really the overview of the Microsoft Teams. The only difference is that you have the ability now to call outbound.